To start earning money on Honeygain without using the referral code, I think you are missing your chance by doing so. If you use a referral code, you can get a bonus at the beginning and you can increase your earnings faster. You have watched this video to take advantage of this chance, and I can assure you that if you watch this video to the end, you will be able to get rid of all the question marks in your head. Of course, you can write to me if you have any questions. I think you also want to start making money on Honeygain, but if you don't know how to use the referral code, let me explain step by step how you can use it. Go to Chrome. Type honeygain.com in the search bar. After clicking on this site, go to the Get Started section. Now, in this section, click on the required section and type this code: MUSFI 6038 and finally 7. That's it. You can easily register and start earning money by choosing an account. Yes, friends, you can use the bonus coupon by doing this. But if you don't want to write this code manually, you can add this bonus to your account and earn money without writing this code with the link I put in the description and comment section of the video. Just by choosing the account, you will register. Getting started with Honeygain is quite simple. After downloading and installing the app, you let it run in the background, and that's it. You are now ready to start earning money. So, if you are already spending time online, why not turn it into earnings? Remember, continuity is one of the most important factors in this app. In the beginning, your earnings may be small, and this may push you to give up, but over time, everything will improve. Only Honeygain is testing you.